Do you feel shy when you speak English? Do you feel nervous about making mistakes? You are not alone. In this video, a student learns how to speak English with confidence, step by step, with the help of a kind teacher. And at the end of this lesson, you will speak better than before. So don't skip. Stay with me till the end. Listen carefully, repeat with us, and start speaking English today. Let's begin.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. How are you feeling today?
I am fine, but I feel nervous again.
Why do you feel nervous today?
Yesterday, I tried to speak English in class. I made some mistakes. My friends laughed, so I feel sad.
I understand. That hurts. But listen to me. Every good speaker makes mistakes first.
Really, teacher? Even you?
Yes, when I was learning English, I also made many mistakes.
That makes me feel better.
Good. Never be ashamed of learning. Now, take a deep breath. Let's practice together.
Okay, teacher. I'm ready.
Today, we will use simple present tense. We will talk about your daily routine.
Yes, teacher.
Tell me, what do you do when you wake up?
When I wake up, I check my phone.
Good sentence. Now say, I check my phone first.
I check my phone first.
Nice. What do you do after that?
Then I get up, I brush my teeth, and I wash my face.
Very clear. You're doing well.
Thank you, teacher. I'm trying.
I can see that. Now tell me about breakfast.
I go to the kitchen, I help my mother, then I eat breakfast.
Good. What do you usually eat?
I usually eat rice and vegetables. Sometimes I eat eggs.
Excellent use of usually and sometimes.
Really, teacher? I am happy.
You should be. Now, what do you do before school?
I pack my bag, I wear my uniform, and I leave home.
Very good. Say it again slowly.
I pack my bag, I wear my uniform, I leave home.
Perfect. How do you go to school?
I go by bus.
Nice and simple.
At school, I listen to teachers, I write notes, and I talk with friends.
Good. But say, I listen to my teachers.
I listen to my teachers.
Great correction.
After school, I feel tired.
That is natural. What do you do then?
I come home, I drink water, and I rest for some time.
Very nice sentence.
Then I do my homework. Sometimes it is difficult.
Yes, homework can be hard, but practice makes you strong.
After homework, I watch TV or read books.
Good habit. Do you read English books?
Yes, teacher. I try to read small stories.
Excellent. That helps your speaking.
In the evening, I play with my friends in the park.
Nice. Exercise is good for the mind too.
In the night, we eat dinner together. We talk about our day.
That is beautiful. Family time is important.
After dinner, I study English for 30 minutes.
Wonderful habit.
Then I pray and I sleep early.
Very good. Now tell me your whole day in English.
I wake up, I check my phone, I brush my teeth, I wash my face, I eat breakfast, I go to school, I study, I come home, I do my homework, I read, I play, I eat dinner, I study English, I sleep early.
Excellent. You spoke for a long time without fear.
Yes, teacher, I feel proud.
You should feel proud. You are improving every day.
I'm not afraid now. I want to speak more.
That is the spirit. Promise me one thing.
What, teacher?
Practice English every day, even for 10 minutes.
I promise.
Then you will become fluent.
Thank you, teacher. You believe in me.
Always. Now go and shine.
Great job today. You are improving every day. If this lesson helps you, please subscribe now. It supports this channel and helps you learn more. Practice daily. Speak confidently.